in the Terraform. tf-vars, Terraform variables. This file in the Terraform is used to define variables that can be passed into the Terraform configuration. It allows you to separate variable definitions from the main configuration file. It makes easier to manage different environments by simply changing the values in the tf-vars file. Example, in a project with multiple environments like dev, staging, production. This three is normal, dev, staging, and production. This multiple environment, you can use different tf-vars files to define environment-specific variables like instance sizes, regions, or VPC IDs.